I'm here with Gerta Keller, who is a professor from Princeton University. And Gerta, you're the co-editor of Special Paper 505. Can you tell us the name of your paper and what it's about?
Yes. The title of the paper is Volcanism Impacts and Mass Extinctions, Causes and Effects. And the major focus of the paper is on major volcanism, and particularly how they affected the major mass extinction in Earth's history.
So what is the current consensus on some of the major extinctions on Earth?
There is an emerging consensus that volcanism was vastly underrated in mass extinctions through the last 30 years of history, because the idea was largely that the impact caused not just the end Cretaceous mass extinctions, the dinosaur extinction, but and was the sole cause of it, but also that other mass extinctions were likely due to impacts. In contrast, now it has turned. It now seems that there is an increasing consensus with enormous emerging data that volcanism is a likely primary cause in on 4 out of the 5 mass extinctions.
Right, wow. So how big of a departure is this from conventional understanding?
It's an enormous departure, as you can imagine, because for 30 years it was impact that as a primary cause of mass extinctions.
Right.
And it is changing now to volcanism as the more likely cause, and particularly the effects of volcanism, such as rapid climate warming and ocean acidification. And this is not just for the end Cretaceous mass extinction, but also for the Triassic-Jurassic and the end Devonian mass extinctions, so that now the rapid climate warming and ocean acidification induced by volcanism is becoming the most recognizable and likely cause for 4 out of the 5 mass extinctions.
So what does this mean for future study in this area?
What it means is there is still a lot to do, because the advances so far came largely about for 3 major reasons. One is that the improved dating of volcanic eruptions, major volcanic eruptions. The second is a very seminal discovery that the mass extinctions coincide with particular volcanic phases. And the third was the improved understanding of the environmental and effects of life from rapid climate warming and ocean acidification, and how this affected mass extinctions. It now appears that the extinctions due to these causes could have happened over just a few thousand years.
Right. Well, we're interested in hearing more about your paper. So Special Paper 505, thank you for joining us today, Gerta.
Thank you.